Title: How to fix app not showing on Google Play Store. Can't find an app on the Google Play Store? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several easy ways to fix apps that aren't showing up on the Play Store. Let's begin. Step 1. Check device compatibility. First, make sure your phone is compatible with the app. Some apps only work on newer Android versions or specific devices. Step 2. Update the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store, tap your profile picture, go to Settings, then About, and tap Update Play Store if an update is available. Step 3. Update Android. Open Settings, go to System or Software Update, and install any available Android updates. Step 4. Clear Play Store cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, select Google Play Store, tap Storage and Cache, and choose Clear Cache. Step 5. Check your Google account. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account and that Play Store is connected properly. Step 6. Check country availability. Some apps are only available in certain countries. If the app isn't available in your region, it won't appear in search results. Step 7. Restart your phone. Restart your phone and search for the app again. That's how you can fix apps not showing on the Google Play Store. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips. Thanks for watching.